It's Fandom Thursday.
I'm one of the 5 biggest dorks I know. Whoa.
My Rubik's Cube broke while I was practicing for my video, so I'm gonna fix it. Damon, show everyone. Pieces. Now I have to put this together, like, solved, because otherwise it won't. Raise the camera now. Good. Because otherwise I won't be able to solve this. It's fixed! I can make my video now! Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to not really show you how to do this because I'll be posting links in the info tab, but I'm going to show you how I solve a regular Rubik's Cube and this one, which will take a while. Okay, so now I'm going to mess this up and pray that it doesn't explode again. Because if that happens, I'm not solving this thing for you guys because I can't find my newer one. Okay, so first what I have to do, how I do it, I'm going to solve this top spot first, and that'll be the white side. So I have to, there's the white one, and I have to line up, because the center square on the 3x3s, that is what the color of the side is going to be. As you can see, this Rubik's Cube is very beaten up. And I've been accused many times of moving the stickers to solve it, but it's just old, and I carry it around with me everywhere. Alright, so now I'm going to solve the corner pieces. This one kind of solved itself. See? Okay, now it's solved. Okay, so now I've got this top part solved and the white side. And now I'm going to solve the middle layer. I would show you guys, I would give you guys the algorithms to be able to solve this, but I actually lost those a long time ago, and I would mess it up if I tried to write it out for you guys. You'd get it wrong, and then you'd never be able to solve it, so I'm going to give you a good website, which is in the info tab. Okay, so now the middle layer is solved, and this is the fun one. This is the one where my cube exploded last time. Okay. Let's hope it doesn't explode. That was the corner bit. I don't like the corner bit. Alright, almost done! Ta-da! I did it! Good. Good. Okay. So now, what's fun about this one is that before you do anything, you have to solve the 4 middle squares on each side and make sure they're in the right spots, as this one might. Because otherwise you can't actually solve it. So I'm just mumbling to the camera. I'm not actually really explaining this. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm sorry I'm such a fail at like explaining how to do this thing. I was taught how to do the Rubik's Cube, and I actually can't teach it. I used to be able to teach it when I had a cheat sheet written out for all of this stuff, and this one you can't really, there's really no cheat for it. You just have to sort of think your way through it, I guess. Have to be gentle with the cube or it will get mad at me and break. And if this one breaks, I'm just not solving it for you guys because it is pain. sew these pieces, these side pieces. And this takes a while. I wasn't paying attention. I got it. No, I got it. See, look, now they're together. They're together now. I didn't mess it up. Don't laugh at me, Damon. Good. Now I got the top 3 things figured out. I did it! This is probably the fastest I've ever solved this thing. Just really, really good.
Why don't you grab your scarf, log out of AIM and Twitter, and Blogspot and MySpace and YouTube.